Everybody decided, mm-mm, mm-mm.
Yeah.
It's looking like straight up ice.
Yeah, looking for the black.
Yeah, we playing hopscotch with this. Wow. Wowzers. Whoa. Oh. So this is the road into where we're at. This is our cul-de-sac. We're right over there. It took me and Trisha a moment to get out of this snow. We decided to take a walk and see what's out here. Yeah, this is straight up ice. A car got stuck the other day. This is straight up ice. Yeah, it's a little adventure. We're walking on the black part because all of this is ice. It's so shiny. You say as soon as you almost fall. We are bundled.
I got to really look
Trisha's
down
bundled up.
This is icy.
Mm-hmm.
Oh my goodness. This is some icy.
Yeah, gotta be careful.
Yeah.
But
I got to look down
we wanted to, gotta look down the whole way while you're walking because you don't want to walk on this ice. The last thing I want to do is fall and bust my butt. But we wanted to see what it's looking like out here. It's looking like ice. It's looking like straight up ice.
Yeah, looking for the black
That's
part.
what it's looking like. I'm almost scared to walk. So if I'm scared to walk, you know I don't want to ride in nobody's car. Yeah, and this part right here. Keep good. Yeah, you scared to go. I'm like, I'm going to walk on the snow. I think that's the safest part. Some little animal was out here in the cold, poor thing. If it was a dog, you probably enjoyed it.
Walking in the snow.
Yeah.
There's just too much ice everywhere.
Yeah, it really is. This right here, you see how shiny it is? It ain't nothing but ice. You can just skate it. Ooh, I could fall and bust my butt right there. Yes, the ice got in the cracks.
It's ice.
All of those cracks got ice in them. Look at the street up ahead. I'm kind of scared to go over here because the ice is in the cracks. I am too, because I needed to know how dangerous is this dangerous. And everybody home. Ain't nobody going out there in that mess.
Yeah, that's crazy.
Wow. Yeah, we got to walk straight up into.
Look at all of that ice.
I know.
Look at all of that ice.
What? Now I understand what they mean when they say black ice. That right there, the darker parts, ain't nothing but ice.
Nothing but ice. You think it's water.
Yeah. Well, you think it's just the road. It looks like it should just be the road. And it is straight up ice. Well,
Yeah.
it looks like some cars definitely tried it. But I'd be too scared to ride in this ice. This right here,
The thing is that
that's black ice.
the main roads,
Yeah,
all of that.
that's black ice right
the
there.
main roads
the darker
are getting
parts
done. What
is
these
straight ice.
side streets that
Yeah.
we're on.
We don't have a street where we get maintenance from the city. They don't care about our little cul-de-sac. I want to see what's at the end of this street. I just left you. Somebody had us. Ooh. Yeah, there's black ice all up in here.
Stay away.
All of that ain't nothing but ice. Yeah, you see, everybody decided.
Mm-mm. Yeah.
This is a lot.
Mm-hmm.
We ain't never seen this before. They say in years. Yeah. And Trisha, look. Okay, this whole street is nothing but ice. All of that. That whole thing is ice.
I don't want to go no further.
Oh no, I'm not going up there. No, that ain't. Maybe. Yeah, it's nothing but ice.
Yeah. And it's good they were documenting it.
Yeah, because this is cray-cray.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's nothing but ice. I'm not even walking up there. I'm not even going to try it.
Yeah.
Because if I fall,
Yeah.
oof,
Look, now
I'm
we
too
got to
old
get back
for
to the
that.
house safely.
now we have to get back to the house safely.
Yes.
Well, I hope everybody out there is staying nice and warm and not trying. I gotta play hopscotch out here with this black ice, and not going out there trying to hurt yourself while driving. See, everybody decided they ain't even trying it. But it's a nice little walk. They play mighty low. Oh, people made snowmans. Everybody got a little snowman.
Nope. Ain't nobody should be out here.
No, this is too much.
Look at that shit right here.
I know. I'm kind of. Let me get my butt over on the side where you're at and get away from that black ice right there. That's crazy. Yep. Mother said time to shut it down. Y'all been doing the most. I know. It's kind of scary going back. Yeah, because you can see where a car came out. And yeah, ain't no track supposed to be in this direction. Like, really? Yeah. Oh, my hands are getting cold.
Now, you'll know for sure. No. I want to live to see another day.
Yeah.
Rubber on all this ice.
Yeah, rubber on ice. Like,
It's the main road.
skating around.
Where we live.
Yeah. Well, they said that once it gets really, like, it's cold outside and it's stuck and there ain't no rain to wash it away. And if it do, it's so cold that it's going to wind up freezing over. Yeah.
Okay.
Just nice. Yeah, getting back. The funny part is gonna be getting back and going back down that little hilly part into the house. Yeah, we playing hopscotch with this. Okay. Ah, step on the crack. Break your mama back. And I'm following you. Ooh, that was a little slide. I gotta remember I'm taller than you. Okay. Now this is the part that's gonna be tricky.
You're gonna do it just like you did it before. Hang on
Y'all
to
see
the
where the
phone.
house is? We're gonna hang on to each other,
Yep.
and hopefully
We will steady ourselves.
we will steady ourselves so we
In
don't
the
fall. Okay.
Come on, sister.
Okay. I got my tester. And it's pretty deep. You see how high it came up to that thing right there?
Okay. Let's
Okay.
just step back
Yeah.
where we was at.
Yeah. Okay.
That was good. Step on
Yeah.
the ones that we did. Nothing unfamiliar.
Okay.
You know how to gesture.
Okay.
Here we go.
All right. Whoa. Whoa.
Here.
Whoa.
Beside the driveway.
Okay. All right. We made it.
Yeah. Floor outside.
We have explored. Ooh. Okay. Ooh. That
You got
was
the key.
fun. Oh, I do have the key.